Look, have you ever tried to import information into your HubSpot CRM only to want to pull your hair out? I mean, look what happened to me. Well, we want to help fight the good fight and prevent the balding of thousands of sales and marketing professionals moving forward. Now importing into HubSpot has just got amazingly-ish. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
What's up? I'm your boy George B. Thomas, aka Sprocket Talk, HubSpot Ninja from Impulse Creative, bringing you another HubSpot update, and I'm just a normal guy. Let's talk about 3 new features that will make importing data into your HubSpot CRM better than ever. Might I even say amazingly-ish, which is not a word. What's worse than manual data entry? To be honest, not many things, but one for sure is manually associating your HubSpot imports to other objects at the painful pace of one at a time. Lucky for you, those days are coming to an end. HubSpot is rolling out some updates to import specifically designed to make your day easier. That's right, soon you'll be able to import multiple objects at once and associate them with each other automatically upon import, rather than manually after the fact, inside of your HubSpot CRM. That's amazing. I'll pause while you do a happy dance for a couple seconds. Are you done yet? Now let's talk about what's coming, or likely, depending when you're watching this, already in place for you. Number 1, multi-file associations import. When managing records in any CRM, objects don't exist in a vacuum. They're connected. Having Bob Smith as a contact in your database is great, and having his company on file is great too. Have a sales opportunity with Bob's company? Even better. But the power of CRM doesn't truly come to life until the connections between those 3 things are made. Associating records to each other enables you to unlock the power of their shared context. See all the interactions between Bob's company contacts and your company on a single timeline, run deal reports based on original contact source, and more. With this new feature, you can easily import multiple objects at once and associate them with each other automatically during the import process. When starting an import, choose multi-file with associations import. Select what you're importing, upload both files, choose how the files are associated, choose the common column that associates 2 objects together, map properties for both objects you've selected, and voila! Number 2, single file multi-object import. All of the magic of multi-file associate import, but done with one file. That means you can import your data however works best for your company. How does it work? Well, when starting an import, choose one file import, select multi-object import, select the objects you'd like to import, and you can choose as many as you'd like per file, and select an object and property to map to each column. Voila, you're done again. And number 3, import your notes. Oh my gosh! Along with the first 2 updates, you'll now have the ability to import notes to your HubSpot CRM that are associated with contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Note imports will include the note body and note timestamp, which gives you accurate historical context in all of your CRM objects. How does it work? All note imports must be completed as an association import with other files for which they are associated with. Pro tip, as a reminder, you can only deduplicate records by email or by object ID. With all of these exciting updates, it may be worthwhile to give the new import a try. Did you like this video? Then make sure you hit the likes, the subscribes, everything, so that we know that you're part of the community. Want to get videos like this right in your inbox? Then hit the link below and subscribe today. Last but not least, if you need training past this update, then go ahead and click on the link and check out our 1 and 2 day on-location sales and marketing workshops. Until next time, this is your boy George B. Thomas saying go out into the world and do some happy HubSpotting.